Sit comfortably. Take a slow, deep breath. Let it out gently. Again, in and out. Let your body settle. Feel the surface beneath you, supporting you completely. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. Nothing else you need to do. This is your space, your moment. Before you, a vast hall slowly takes shape. Tall stone arches rise overhead, the air cool and still. The floor glistens with a soft sheen, as though touched by rain long ago. You hear the faint echo of your breath in this open, timeless space. Through tall windows, light spills in like liquid silver, catching dust that drifts and dances in the air. In the center, a deep, worn leather armchair sits, dark as midnight, yet inviting. Its carved wooden arms are smooth from the touch of countless hands before yours. This is the chair of release, the place where you can finally set down the things you have been carrying. Step towards it, lower yourself into its weight, its solidity. Feel how it holds you without judgment, without expectation. Now, bring to mind what you no longer wish to carry, the heaviness, the old stories, the self-doubt, the moments that still echo in you. Place them here. Let them sink into the leather, into the deep, quiet folds of this chair. You don't need to solve them or fight them. Simply let them rest here. When you rise, they will stay. When you are ready, stand. Feel the lightness in your body, even if only a little. Look back at the chair. Everything you left there remains. It will not follow you. You are free to walk away. Ahead of you, sunlight pours through an opening you hadn't noticed before. It draws you towards a garden alive with colour and life. In the middle of the garden sits a chair, soft white linen, embroidered with golden vines, glowing in the light. Around it, flowers bloom, butterflies drift, and rainbows shimmer in the mist. This is the chair of becoming, the place where you can step into who you wish to be. Sit here, feel the fabric beneath your hands, smooth, warm, alive. Breathe in the scent of fresh blossoms. Let your chest expand. In this chair, you are free to imagine yourself without the weight you left behind. See yourself clear, vibrant, open. Feel how it is to be you in this new state of being, not someday, not later, but now. Stay here as long as you wish. Let every breath seal this feeling into your mind and body. Know that you can return to these chairs whenever you need to release and to renew. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room you are in. Feel the surface beneath you. Take one deep, full breath and open your eyes.